All other, please mute yourself. All others.
The nation will remain the land of free only as long as it is the home of the brave. A very pleasant morning to all. Arvind Gupta, DAV Centenary Public School, passionately organizes virtual Independence Day celebration on Saturday, that is today, 15th August 2020 at 10 a.m. Today is indeed a momentous occasion for all Indians to remember the heroic deeds and sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who laid down lives in attaining the independence of India. This day has always been envisaged as a day of togetherness, a day of patriotic fervor, a day of respect for all our freedom fighters, a day of love for our rich culture and tradition. With all such reverent feeling, I invite everyone to witness the event where our school children, teachers are participating with full energy and zeal. It is really appreciable to see that this pandemic has not dampened their high spirits. So see us live on YouTube. Let us all come together and salute the spirit of nationhood with our prevalent and enthusiastic students and teachers. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for enlightening us. And
So
now
I'm going to school and you just continue it. Okay, Ruchi?
yeah, ma'am. I'll continue with the students' presentation. So
Yes,
once again,
yes.
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, and God bless you all. Love you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enriching words. We will definitely follow the guidance given by you. Moving ahead. Poetry is an excellent platform to express our feelings, emotions, and thoughts in words. A poem begins in delight and ends in wisdom. It is truly a clear expression of mixed feelings. Navya Singh of class 8th is now going to express her feelings through this heartfelt poem.
My heartiest welcome to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today Aina Blessing from class 8-3 is going to present a self-composed poem on Independence Day. The day we proud the most, when the cause of terror got lost. Our motherland got free, returning our happiness living in glee. Thanks to those who fought for the best, Gandhiji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and the rest. After facing all struggles, came this day. 15 August 1947 marked the beginning of a new way. The national flag in the sky rose high. Won't you like to ask that why? As our freedom fighters, the eminent leaders, worked hard for it all day and night. Yes, it was our day of independence from the long-term British rule existence. From that day on, every year, we commemorate our independence without any fear. Hence, on 15 August, all with proud, our Prime Minister comes and gathers a crowd. Like Jawaharlal Nehru did, unfurls a flag high, a triangular flag at red foot in the sky. Our humble thanks to those of the past who fought for our rights and breathed their last. Also a big round of applause for those who fight in present. Strong and daring Corona warriors, you are magnificent. We appreciate it all very much. Let's stand and salute them as such. Now from me to all, I wish this way. To our wishing India a very happy Independence Day, a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Wow, what a mind-blowing poem you recited, Navya. Independence of India was not a small task. Thousands of people sacrificed their precious lives for the worthy cause of motherland. Now, the students of class 7th are going to give a glimpse of the contribution made by unsung heroes.
Hello children, Can you identify me? Yes, I am so and so. I am Birsa Munda, the great Indian tribal freedom fighter. I revolted against the British Raj and championed the rights of tribal people. I fought many battles and led many campaigns to recover our lost lands. The Munda people called me a Dharti Abba. I sloganed threatening of British Raj, that is, Abua Raj se ter jana, Maharani Raj tundu jana. Thank you.
I am Velu Nachiyar, the queen of Seva Gange in Tamil Nadu. I created the first human bomb. When I found the place where the British stored their ammunition, I sent my daughter to the ammunition store after dousing her in oil to destroy the arms. I opposed the British rule and emerged as one of the most daring freedom fighters in India. I fought for the independence of India, and even before Mangal Pandey and Rani of Jhansi came in light. Thank you.
Today I am representing a freedom fighter, Mantangi Harza. Mantangi Harza was 71 years old. She was devoted follower of Mahatma Gandhi. She was lovingly called by people as Gandhi Buri. She led many peace processions during civil disobedience movement. On such a procession, she was shot repeatedly, but she kept on marching while chanting Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. But she died holding Indian flag in her hand, held high. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Bikaji Kama. I am one of the prominent figures for the independence movement. I was the first to hoist the Indian flag on the foreign soil. I appealed for human rights, equality and autonomy for the people. March forward, we are for India and India is for Indians. Thank you.
What a natural and wonderful performance by these students. It really seemed as if we are watching the real warriors. Moving ahead, poetry is a language at its most distilled and most powerful. Now we have Kairav of class 6th who is going to express his love and affection to his motherland Bharat by his wonderful poem.
नमस्कार आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, सम्माननीय शिक्षक एवं मेरे प्रिय साथियों, स्वतंत्रता दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करना चाहता हूँ ताकि आप उस दौर के मार्मिकता को समझ पाए कि आखिर ऐसी कौन सी ज़रूरत आन पड़ी कि देशवासियों को जान की बाजी लगानी पड़ी। आखिर ऐसी कौन सी विपदा आन पड़ी कि देनी पड़ी कुर्बानी थी। क्या समझोगे तुम इस युग में कि प्राण गंवाने का डर क्या था। क्या समझोगे तुम इस दौर में कि अंग्रेजों के प्रताड़न का स्तर क्या था। क्या देखा है रातों रात, क्या देखा है रातों रात पूरे गांव का जल जाना था। क्या देखा है वो मंजर बच्चों का भूख से मर जाना था। कहने को धरती अपनी थी, कहने को धरती अपनी थी, पर भोजन का ना एक निवाला था। धूप तो उगता था हर दिन, पर हर घर में अंधियारा था। बैसाखी का था पर्व मनाने, घर घर से दीपक निकलते थे। लौट न पाए अपने घर को खून की होली खेल जो बुझ गए थे। जलियांवाला बाग हत्याकांड वो कहलाया, जलियांवाला बाग हत्याकांड वो कहलाया, जिसमें बच्चे बूढ़े सब कुर्बान हो गए थे। क्या कसूर था उन निर्दोषों का कि देनी पड़ी कुर्बानी थी। क्या कसूर था उस बेबस माँ का जिससे रूठी उसकी किलकारी थी। धीरे धीरे आक्रोश बढ़ा, सबके सर पर क्रोध चढ़ा। गांधी जी ने असहयोग आंदोलन चलवाया। हमें बेबस समझते थे इसलिए हम पर हुकूमत करते थे, पर देश पर कुर्बान होने से ना हम भारतवासी डरते थे। बहुत हुआ था तानाशाही, बहुत हुआ था तानाशाही, अब तो देश को वापस पाना था। गांधी जी ने धीरज धरा और कहा अहिंसा को अपनाना था। ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से नहीं होता, ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से नहीं होता, यह सबक अंग्रेजों को सिखाना था। अहिंसा को हथियार बनाया, ना कोई गोली बंदूक चलाया। फिर भी अंग्रेजों को हमने अपने देश से खदेड़ भगाया और उस तारीख को हमने सुनहरे अक्षरों में गढ़वाया। और यही हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस है भाइयों, जो शान से 15 अगस्त कहलाया। जय हिंद।
Kairav, moving forward. Dancing is the way you can express yourself in more creative manner. It is not just about moves, but is much more than that. It is a pathway of conveying your deepest inner thoughts. With a great enthusiasm, Paras Sharma is going to present a dance performance on Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं। जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अपनी शान है। वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अपनी शान है।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
Wow, what a brilliant and interesting performance it was. Looking forward, the India of today is much more advanced and modern, and also with the heroes like People Baba and MS Bhosle, who have contributed a lot for this Bharat to progress. Now, students of class 8 are going to make us aware of the heroes of New India.
Hello friends, I am Meenal Dikhar Bhosle. I am an Indian biologist as well as the Chief of the Research and Development at MyLab Discovery Solutions in Pune. I have invented India's first COVID-19 testing kit. This is Pythodetect, India's first COVID-19 testing kit. It gives its diagnosis in just 2.5 hours, while the other takes 6 to 7 hours for it. We have developed it in just 6 weeks. On 10th May 2020, we got an approval from ICMR, and the Union Health Minister of our country, Dr. Harshvardhan, said that NID Pune has successfully developed India's first indigenous antibodies testing kit. It was a great experience, success and achievement for me. And in last, I like to conclude by saying that we are in this together and we will get to this together. Thank you. Jai Hind.
रहीमन पानी राखिए, बिन पानी सरसून, पानी गए ना उबरे, मोती मानुष चून। Good morning, respected principal madam, teachers and my dear friends. I am portraying as Rajendra Singh. I am known as the Waterman of India due to my contribution in conserving water in India. I urge you all to save water because water is life, and save water, save life. Thank you.
I am Dasharat Mahanji. I am a poor worker in Gehlor village near Gaya district in Bihar. I always live happily with my wife Falguni Devi. My life got ugly when my wife Falguni Devi left this world because of no medication of time when she was ill. She was was not medicated on time because there was a huge mountain of about 360 foot, making the distance of 70 kilometers from my village to hospital. After this misfortune took place, I took an insane oath that nobody should die as my wife died. So I cut down the entire mountain single-handed for 22 years, day by day, night and night, ensuring again nobody else dies without medical care like my wife died. I cut down the mountain to the extent that distance from 70 kilometers was reduced to just 5 kilometers from my village to hospital.
Hello everyone, myself Mr. Swami Prem Parivartan, and I am famous as People Baba because I have planted over 20 million trees. I am also a famous environmentalist and the founder of Give Me Tree Trust. However, it is going as non-governmental organization. More number of trees, the better planet we have is my success, and I just want to motivate the youngsters to follow some agricultural practices to make their life green. I request you all to plant one tree in your life to conserve the nature. Thank you.
Wonderful are just a few words to describe it. Great performance class 8 students. Moving ahead. आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है इस भारत को, यह हम सब ने ठाना है. आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है इस भारत को, यह हम सब ने ठाना है. हम सबको यथासंभव स्वदेशी ही अपनाना है. हम सबको यथासंभव स्वदेशी ही अपनाना है. Self-dependent India is the goal, aspiration and hope of every Indian. Now the class girls will convey us the need of Atmanirbharta and the use of Swadeshi products. Hashtag go vocal for local.
A very warm welcome to everybody. Today I, Nandini of class 8B, is here to present a small speech on the topic Self-Reliant India. We know that due to the coronavirus pandemic, we all are facing a lot of problems, and the biggest issue is that our economy is decreasing day by day. Since all the business managements are closed and all the work are shut down, and we are completely isolated in our homes, so due to that there is no income from anywhere. So for balancing the economy again, we have to support vocal for local and also for Atmanirbhar Bharat. For making Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have to support vocal for local. We know that when Britishers were ruling on us, at that time also the economy was affected, just because at that time also we were buying the foreign products, and automatically we were encouraging their trade. So I just wanted to appeal that please support vocal for local for making India self-reliant or Atmanirbhar. Now the girls of class 8B are going to present a small presentation on the topic vocal for local. Thank you all.
PM Modi emphasized the needs for India to recognize the importance of local manufacturing, local markets and local supply chains. He said that COVID-19 taught India the importance of being local. He said all our demands during the crisis were met locally. So we should be vocal for local and we should not use foreign products.
The Prime Minister felt that leading brands of the world were once local brands and they became global brands when local people started using and buying them. They branded them and then felt proud of them and started promoting them. They were the catalyst to make them global brands from local brands. We should not use the products which are manufactured in foreign countries like US, UK and France. We should use the products which are manufactured in India. Thank you.
Stop purchasing foreign products. Be Indian, buy Indian.
So, on this Independence Day, let's make ourselves free from foreign products and support indigenous products. Happy Independence Day.
heroic thoughts and views are represented by these girls. स्वस्वजन स्वदेशी अपनाए, स्वस्वजन स्वदेशी अपनाए, भारत को अपने हम समृद्ध और आत्मनिर्भर बनाए, भारत को अपने हम समृद्ध और आत्मनिर्भर बनाए. Further, we have Drishti from class 6 who is going to express her patriotic feelings for India through her dance on ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का.
पम पम ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का. इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना. पम पम पम
हाँ मैं उसको भी दे दो, मैं दे दूंगी पैसे.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
करम अपना करेंगे
आजा आजा जिंदू शामियाने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले. चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शिबिलाम, सस्य श्यामलाम मातरम. वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम. ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया. ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India, ये मेरा इंडिया. हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी. फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी.
This song always fills in us a patriotic feeling and indulges us completely into it. It was a great performance by Drishti. In the 74th year of freedom, we feel proud to see that our India is marching ahead in all spheres. We hope that in coming years, our India may progress more and more. And at the end, before I conclude, I would like to recite a few lines of a poem.
यह भारत है मेरा, जहाँ एक ओर सितार, दूजी ओर देती है कृष्णा की बांसुरी सुनाई. एक ओर जोश है खिलाड़ियों के लिए और कहीं बज उठती मनमोहक शहनाई. जहाँ एक ओर है कानपुर का कथक तो दूजी ओर है केरल का कथकली. जहाँ बच्चों की किलकारियाँ गूंजती हर आंगन में और क्रिकेट का शोर मचता है गली गली. यह भारत है मेरा, जहाँ पहाड़ हिमालय का देता है पहरा दिन रात. जहाँ बदलते मौसम की होती गड़गड़ाहट, फिर वो बारिश में हो चाहे बच्चों की मस्ती, पर याद दिलाती बड़ों को उनके बचपन की हर बात. फिर चाहे हो वो गंगा का पवित्र पानी या यमुना के तट का शोर, वह गांव की मिट्टी की महक जहाँ नाचते हैं खुलकर मनमोहक मोर. देखो वहीं दूर पर होंगे दो घर सटे हुए, देखो वहीं दूर पर होंगे दो घर सटे हुए, जहाँ देख पाओगे तुम हिंदू मुस्लिम के वो पुराने रिश्ते जो थे कभी मिटे हुए. जहाँ एक और गूंजता है गायत्री मंत्र का स्वर, जहाँ एक और गूंजता है गायत्री मंत्र का स्वर, वही गुरबानी देती है सुनाई एक घर. वहीं दूर पर आजान भी है गूंजती, वहीं दिए से रोशन हो रही हमारे गौतम बुद्ध की मूर्ति. पास ही वहाँ एक चर्च है जरा खोजो, पास ही वहाँ एक चर्च है जरा खोजो, जहाँ जलती मोमबत्ती दिन रात है. ऐसे भाईचारे को देखकर, अरे ऐसे भाईचारे को देखकर हर कोई कहता है भारत वाह क्या बात है, वाह क्या बात है. Thank you for joining, and we again wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I hope you like the performance of the student. Ma'am, we can see you there in the school. It's nice to see you, ma'am. You have to unmute yourself, ma'am. Before you speak, you have to unmute yourself.
It's okay? Hello.
Yes, yes, now it is audible.
Okay.
Sandeep.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Wow. यहाँ पर भी हाँ, रुचि मैडम को बोलो कि ना इन मैडम को बोलो कि दिखा दे. रुचि मैम को बोलो हॉइस्ट करते हुए दिखा दे. रुचि
मैम होइस्ट करते हुए भी फ्लैग को हम देख लेंगे. आप होइस्ट करेंगे तो हम भी साथ में फ्लैग देख लेंगे. तभी हम जनगण मन प्ले करेंगे.
ठीक है, ठीक है. एवरीबॉडी विल.
तुम्हारा पूरा आईडी ना इसमें. अब ठीक है?
या बढ़िया मैम, बढ़िया आ रहा है पूरा व्यू.
ठीक है.
Nice, nice. Complete view is there. Very good. Happy Independence Day to all. Now once again I'll play the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा चल जल तरंगा
तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
जय हे
जय हे जय 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 जय
भारत माता की
जय.
जय हिंद, जय भारत.
भारत माता की जय.
Before we conclude the program, we have one more item for you. I hope you will enjoy that also.
Okay, so we are proceeding other phase of thing. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
Bye.
तुमने 14 का इनका थोड़ा याद है क्या वो बॉबी दिखा दे वो बटन फोटो एक लिया फोटो से हाइट कर लिया नहीं रखते हम फोटो तीनों कीजिए एक वो भी लगा लो अभी फोटो हम तीनों की हो जाएगी फोटो लेकिन अभी ट्री पर उगाते हुए फोटो है बड़ा सा बैनर बना के तो आगे के फोटो बना लेंगे
So, how was the performance? I hope you like the performance by our students.
Am I audible, Ruchi?
Yes, yes, you are audible, ma'am. Shama, ma'am. I
Okay.
would like everybody to unmute for a minute and let's applaud the performance of our student. Please unmute yourself and clap for our students' brilliant performance. Even in this time of pandemic, they have done it so well.
Ruchi, am I audible to you?
Yes,
Ruchi?
yes, yes, ma'am. You are very much audible.
So, of course, happy Independence to all of you. And I'm really very happy that the teachers, especially Suman Reza ma'am, Shalini ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, and Neha ma'am, they have worked very hard to make this program a success. They have guided very intelligently to students, and of course, Ruchi Kabra, without you, this program cannot be presented. A heartful thanks to you also. Thanks to everyone.
I would like to add, Ruchi, I would like to add that this is because of the guidance given by Shama ma'am. Shama
Yes,
ma'am was
definitely.
the true spirit in this whole program, and a great thanks to our faculty members, and a big thanks to you that you made it possible. Round the clock
Yes.
you were there. And
Yes.
Shama ma'am,
Without
big
Ruchi
applaud
Kabra.
for Shama
Please,
ma'am
without
and Ruchi.
Ruchi
All of you
Kabra.
please
Kabra.
applaud.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Ruchi ma'am.
We are blessed with the treasure of our faculty, and Shama has done such a good things. Apart from Independence Day celebration, she has itself, along with the team. Of course, team management is there in her, and she is organizing Moon in a very large scale. The school is touching the heights, the new scales, and credit goes to HOD, that is Shama, and the
Thank you,
faculty,
ma'am.
of course. And
Thank you,
Ruchi
ma'am.
and IT departments, they are always, they are the catalyst of the
Yes.
of our organization.
Each and every person, ma'am, ma'am, each and every person of IT department is an asset to the school.
Yes, and
Thanks a
Ruchi,
lot.
especially for today's event, we are grateful to you, sweetheart.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
And Neelam, bhi hello
Ma'am.
kar rahi hai aapko.
Mala ma'am, Mala ma'am, I would like to say that you are the real spirit behind everything. You have trusted everything, everybody so nicely. All HODs are doing well, and you are the core person.
Yes.
Right, and we traveled
Thanks
with
a
you
lot.
to the
Thanks
school.
a lot.
I am your team. That is the main thing. So I am so blessed to have you as my gems in my mala.
Ma'am, thank you so much. Your video was
Truly
we traveled
spoken.
to the school through you.
Okay,
We
okay.
traveled to
And
the
Sandeep,
school,
Sandeep
we
is also
hoisted the flag, and that gave us the true spirit.
Yeah,
And
and Sandeep, now Sandeep is saying few things to
मैम
you.
it's a team work. Everybody is doing their part of job. और टीम के बिना एक लीडर के बिना हम ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकते मैम वैसे.
That's true.
In proper guidance of ma'am, we all are doing a fantastic job.
And we are like breathing in a freedom, and freedom of thoughts is there in AGDAV. That is the main thing.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
We are enjoying the flavor and fervor of freedom in a true sense in this school also. That is the main thing to be celebrated. Thank you all, and God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
And thank you, ma'am.
The work of SST department is appreciated a lot. They worked really hard. Ruchi Sharma was working till 2 o'clock for this work, this event to happen in a successful manner. Shama ma'am was there with me till 1:30 yesterday, and all the other teachers, Shalini ma'am, special thanks to Shalini ma'am. It is because of her brother only that we are able to conduct this so well, because there are certain parts of the software that are paid, and her brother only helped us to conduct it in such a beautiful way. I thank all SST department, all the members who have joined. They have given their precious time to join this event. And special thanks to Principal Ma'am. Because of her, we visited our school. After so many months, we've got a view of the school. Thank you so much, everybody. Thanks for being here.
Ruchi, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I also want to thank Shalini's brother, without whose effort and sharing the password. This is the
That's
greatest thing a person
That's a
can
big thing.
do.
That's a big thing.
Big thing that he has shared his password and his mail ID for the sake of this school. He has saved the dignity of our school, especially as yesterday. Yes, thanks, and convey my thanks, Shalini, to your brother. I will definitely talk to him personally also. Okay,
And we will
see you
write a
in the
message,
school.
write a beautiful message
Of
for
course,
him and share
beautiful
share the
message.
message with him also.
Yes, yes. Chalo. See you. See you soon. May we should see you soon or see you soon in the school.
May we celebrate
Bye.
the next event there in the school.
Thank you. Okay. Hanji,
Okay,
Hanji.
stay safe, stay happy. Happy Independence Day.
Kalpa ma'am, आप कुछ कह रहे हो? Kalpa ma'am, are you saying something?
I really enjoyed the program, and thanks to all of you. Thanks to
all of
you.
you, all
Brought
of
us together,
Yes,
we relived,
yes.
we really relived our days when we
Thank
were
you.
together.
Thank you.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
nice,
Thank
very
you.
nice,
Thank you.
amazing.
Thank you. See you
all
soon
the audience
physically in the
also.
school. See you soon in the school physically.
Definitely.
Sure.
Definitely. Amin.
I mean,
Right.
chalo, leave.
Okay.
Okay,
bye.
bye-bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Bye.
Bye
Happy
to all.
Independence
Thanks
Day
to
all.
everybody.
Thank you.